up, my people? This is your girl Black Lace coming to you with another video. Today's video is not so much about my makeup but this hair. I've been wanting to do this orange hair for the longest while, and I finally got the chance to do it. And if you want to see how I got this color, stay tuned. So I'm starting with the closure, which was bleached with the basic white and the Clairol 40 volume 40 developer, and this is the color that I got, and I matched it with the blonde, the hair that had the bundles that I had already bleached, and it seems to be on the same level. This is the orange from Adore. This is sunrise orange. And I was thinking that I would add the pink to it, but adding the pink was never really worked. But you will see as the video goes along. So that's the closure now when it's dried, and as you can see, it's a perfect match. And that's the color, two colors that I've decided to add as well. Those are from Got to Be. Yes, I bought them in the dollar store in Canada. One is a pastel blue and one is a pastel green, but I decided to use the green with the red, the orange, and a little of the pink. I don't know, I was just getting away with this thing. So we're trying stuff here and it's trial and error, so don't come for me. I'm just trying stuff here, okay? First, you want to try and separate the hair. So I've used two of those clips. I don't know what they're called. I think they're called clamps, I believe. And I'm just taking the color from the box, and that's the green. This is what it looks when I spread it on the hair. Because I did a strand test. Usually, it's best to do a strand test to see if the color is what you want. So I did the strand test and it seems to be okay and can work, so I'm going to continue with this process. I'm going to put the name of these two colors in the description box below. I know they were from Got to Be. I think it's the same people who made the Got to Be blue, and I bought as I said before, I bought them in Dollarama. So I used up most of the pink. I want to get the pink in there as well, but so I'm brushing it on and ensuring that the hair is saturated with it. So So I had some pink left over, and so I put the rest of it in the tub that I'm gonna put the entire wig in. And now I'm gonna add the red, that's the intense red. I'm gonna add that to the leftover pink. I mean, it's the same family, so it wouldn't be, I mean, it's no big deal if I have all of, the pink with the red. Same family. And the orange, I'm gonna use all of the orange. So a little pink, a little red, well, I would say a half bottle of the red, and the entire bottle of the orange. And this orange is Sunrise Orange from Adore. So at this point, I was still feeling proud of my green. I still have it there, and I'm gonna be putting in the hair. I'm gonna put in the hair tail in first, or the end of the ear will be dipped in the color first, and then I'll work my way up. The good thing about these color is that you don't need to be an expert to use them. I mean, apart from the basic instructions, you can just use your creativity, and whatever comes out, it will look like a unique thing, something that you've created from your own creativeness, so to speak. I'm trying to find the right word here. So it's no rocket science. You don't have to follow no specific step, or you just free flow and do your thing, and believe me, it will come out some way, somehow, and very rarely these things spoil. So you just add your creativity to it and just let it flow, sweetie. Let your creative juices flow. I just want to add that if you have a basic understanding of color theory, and even if you don't have the basic understanding, meaning you have an idea of the color wheel and what color combination gives you what color, you can do these things without any expert knowledge. So if you want to get creative and use the color wheel to help you, to guide you along, you can do that. So I'm gonna give it a comb through now, and along with the color, I conditioned it. I used the Garnier Fructis hair mask. It's a miracle product for hair, for especially your weaves and your wigs. I'm gonna put the correct name in the description box as well. Trust me, that product makes the hair silky. When I tell you, believe me. So this is how the color came out while it was still wet, and I'm pretty much pleased at this point with the color. And this is the color when it's dried. Look at this, guys. This is so pretty. I really love this color. Really love this color. This is not a ginger orange. This is orange, and I love it. Just playing with it now to see how I would set it, and the curls. I did the curls with using a clamp or a crimping iron, a jumbo crimping iron. It's called the Infinity Pro, and I got it at Shoppers Drug Mart, I believe, and it's about $60. It has a temperature gauge that goes up to about 450 and heats up very quickly, so you have to be careful with it. This is the final look. There's my green there, and I'm happy with that, and I'm so happy with the color. As you can see, the end of the hair is more intense than the top, and that is perfect for me. I mean, the expert will tell you that no, you can do it a different way and you can get it, but this is the easiest way. It's quicker, and this is how I got it, and I'm happy with the look. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you reach this point, that means I did a good job. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Black Lace Makeup and Black Lace Bridal Makeup. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.